Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to renew your vehicle registrations online for California. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to the DMV website. It's right here, dmv.ca.gov. And after that, you press on vehicle registration. And then you press on renew registration. And after that, you scroll down and you have to press on renew right now. And in here is going to ask you to put your license plate and the number and the VIN code as well. And then you press on continue. And after that, it's going to ask you to verify everything. And then you press on submit down there. And then it's going to move you to the payment method where you have to put your debit card or your credit card online just to pay. And after you pay, this page is going to show up. It's going to say a payment proceeded. And if you want a copy of your payment online, there is a button down there where you can press and they're going to send you like a copy of your payment online. And that's it. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.